Okay, guys, we're done talking about GCF and LCM with 2 numbers. Well, today we talk about with 3 numbers. Okay, you start off the same way using the slide method. Draw your little. Oops, why is my pen not working? Here we go. Draw that. I got to figure out what number can go into 12, 30, and 8. Well, since they're all even, we all know that 2 will work. Well, 12 divided by 2 is 6. 30 divided by 2 is 15, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay. Now, they have nothing in common between all 3 of them, so that is the GCF. The GCF of this is 2. However, we're not done with the LCM, because now we're going to look at just 2 out of the 3 numbers. So out of these 2, out of 6 and 15, they have a 3 in common, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 4 I didn't use. I'm just going to bring that down just to keep it in line. That's a really bad looking 5. Okay. Now 2 and 5, they have nothing in common, but 2 and 4 do. So I can divide here and divide here. Bring my 2 out. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And I bring down my 5. Now I can do my GCF, my LCM on the outside. I have 2 times 3 is 6. Times 2 is 12, times 1 is still 12, times, yes, that's supposed to be a 5, is 60, and times 2 is 120. So my LCM of all 3 numbers is 120. Okay. Now we use that, and then we looked at this worksheet here. Remember our little saying, GCF is on the left, LCM is all of them. Okay. When you're looking at words, for a GCF and LCM, or GCF, you're looking for words like greatest, largest, maximum, dividing something, cutting into pieces. For LCM, you're looking for words like, oh, I want to move it. There we go. Smallest, least, next, minimum, first, multiple items, repeated over and over. When both will meet again, when both will be equal. Those are some terms you're looking for when you're reading LCM questions, like these first couple examples here, or this first example. And what I always like to do is underline as I'm reading. We got Johnny. Oh, so let me get my pen back up here. Okay, Johnny is making goodie bags that include a lollipop and bubbles. If lollipops come in 4 to a pack and bubbles come in 6 to a pack, what is the smallest number of bags that he can make and not have anything left over? So smallest is your LCM, smallest LCM. Okay, 4 and 6. If we did the slide method, I have 4 and 6. Divide that, I get 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. GCF is on the left, LCM is all of them, and I'm looking for my LCM, so I want to use all of these numbers that are left over. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 12. The next part of the question says, how many packs of lollipops and bubbles should he buy? Well, if I have 4 lollipops in a pack, I need to figure out, well, 4 times what number equals 12? And that's where I get my 3 packs up here. Well, if I have 6 bubbles in a pack and I need 12, that's where I get my 2 packs. Now with the next question. Shannon is making identical balloon arrangements for a party. Has 24 white balloons, 16 blue balloons. She wants each arrangement to have the same number of each color. What is the greatest number of arrangements that she can make if every balloon is used? So you're looking for the GCF of 24 and 16. Probably need to work on writing with my finger here. So 24 and 16. If you're not sure, you can use divisibility rules. You know 2 will work. Okay. Some of you may have also known that 4 works, and some of you may have actually known the GCF right away, but we'll just pretend like you didn't. 24 divided by 4, okay, is 6. 16 divided by 4 is 4. There's have a 2 in common. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. GCF is on the left. 4 times 2 is 8. We made 8 balloon arrangements. Now your assignment today was to finish off these last 6 questions on the back side. So good luck, and I will see y'all tomorrow.